Hi, boys and girls. I put our spelling words on my kitchen wall. So I thought we could go over them together before you do your word shape page today. I'm going to start with the star words because they're kind of tricky. The first one is I'm, and you'll remember that Mrs. Card called that a contraction. And it's a contraction. A contraction is when you take two little words and you squish them together. But you have to remember to take out some letters in between. So I'm is a contraction of I am. Can you see underneath how I did that? When you build I'm, you take out the A and in its place you put an apostrophe. And then you move the M closer over to the I. So the trick is about I'm is you'll have to remember that it has a capital I. Whenever you're talking about yourself, you always put a capital followed by an apostrophe, which is a period with a tail up high. So it's like a comma, but commas go down low. And then where is our other sight word this week, star word. And you'll notice that Mrs. Card put a question mark after the word where, because where is a question word. Where did I put my key, said Mrs. Card. And so if I think of the question mark at the end of the word where, that reminds me to put tall letter H after W, where. And probably this is the tricky part too. ERE says where. But if you think of the word there, as in look over there, they end the same, where and there. Okay? If you don't put the H in where, you end up with were. So that's really important to remember. And don't forget, WH go together to make the windy letters. Where. Let's spell it together. Ready? WHERE. What does that spell? Where. Let's spell I'm together. Ready? Capital I apostrophe M. I'm. Now I've grouped all of our other words according to the sound that's hiding inside of them. So our first one has ang and bang. Do you know what it is? Sang. Good job. Let's spell it together. S-A-N-G. Sang. And then I put all of our ing and king words together. Can you read them with me? King, string, thing. Let's spell king together. K-I-N-G. What does that spell? King. Let's spell string. S-T-R-I-N-G. String. Last one, thing. T-H-I-G. What does that spell? Thing. King, string, thing. All have ing. What word has ong? Strong. Spell it with me. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. And our last ng word is sung. S-U-N-G. Sung. We have sung O Canada many times in our class. Sung. So all the words at the top have ng with a vowel. And then I put all the nk words at the bottom. So let's start with ank. Ready? Read the words with me. Bank. Thank. Spell bank for me. B-A-N-K. Bank. Spell thank. T-H-A-N-K. Thank. All right, let's move over to our ink words. Can you read them with me? Starting with think, drink, pink. Good job. Let's spell think together. T-H-I-N-K. Think. Spell drink with me. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. And the last word is pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. And then there's not many words that have O-N-K, onk. So we'll spell honk for our spelling list. Can you spell it with me? H-O-N-K, honk. You can hear the aw sound in there. And then our last word has unk in it, and it is trunk. Can you spell it with me? T-R-U-N-K. What does that spell? Trunk. Good job, everybody. Now you can do your word shape page.